Right, as you can see, the postman has been, which is great news. So, let's start today with these bucket seat mounts I've just opened. They feel really nice, good quality. Should hope so for the price. They are from SWM. Swallowing all my money because they were bloody expensive, but nice quality. Buzzing with that, and we've got some adjustable mounts in case anybody else wants to drive my car. Potentially, more than happy. And I've got a bunch more parcels, so they'll be opened over the next few episodes. So, nom nom, air check. Hopefully in the next episode or two. Yeah, buddy. Things are getting quite exciting. Things are rolling quite fast. So let's get these buckets installed.
Nice.
Welcome back, guys. How y'all doing? Right, let's catch you up with where we left off last time. Oh god, just freaking bumped my head. Well, since you've been gone, right, I have half installed a panel, so I've cut that rear quarter panel in half and basically popped it on there, carpeted over it, and down here we are, I don't know if you can see that, we're just carpeted straight to the actual car body line. So that is looking nice, neat. Same on the roof, I'm literally just carpeted straight to the body and then stuck it. So I've literally just got one piece of plastic there, one piece of plastic there, and I've ripped off all the foam that was on the back of it, so it keeps it all nice and lightweight. Same for the other side, but I've run out of carpet. And we are going to get a nice GP seat delete, or I might try it with MDF first. So we get a nice flat bit there, but I'm hoping to be able to store a few things there, like helmets and things. But yeah, right, today's episode, let's get these bucket seats mounted with our new seat mounts. And look at those bad boys. I've been so excited to get these seats installed. I've been so patient with it, but I think I'm at the point where I can get them installed. And one last thing before we carry on, just been doing some work down the front, just trying to delete as many wires as I can really. So I'm trying to keep this all open, nice and smooth, and then that should again look quite nice when I got some more carpet. Right, enough chit chat, let's crack on. Okay, so originally I brought these, which are supposed to be direct fit out to the side of the bucket seat there, and straight mount to the floor. They don't quite fit for some reason, so I purchased these. I don't know how these fit, but I'm about to figure that one out, and then hopefully that gives me more mounting points to install these wherever I need them to be installed, and then that seat should sit absolutely beautifully in the old girl. Yes. Alternatively, I mean, these are 160 quid, these bloody side mounts. These were like, God knows, I think I spent about 250 to 300 quid on these bloody things, so it gets quite expensive quite quickly. Here's an alternative for you. You may not have seen anything like this before, but basically this is out of my old BMW drift car. I've chopped up the original seat, taking that off, so I've now welded on these mounting points. So again, you can just direct bolt fit your bucket seat, either side mount it, or the original seats I had base mounts, so I can install it from the bottom. But yeah. Okay, so I've mounted it up, but very poorly designed, because although they give you lots of adjustment, wherever you go, you end up hitting the bolts. So I'm literally very restricted to these inside ones, which is obviously no good. Not a good start. Okay, so I just popped on these side mounts here and the runners, and then what we'll do now is we'll pop that in the car and just see where it lines up on those brackets. Fingers crossed. across. I'm going to have a little play around with the settings here because I'm struggling to get it to line up perfectly, so I'm going to have to take this in and out a few times to get this to mount up. But yeah, look at that. Oh, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Get me some B-roll here, baby. Damn. Okay, so the trouble at the minute is I'm trying to get this to land on 420 and with this bracket, so I now need to move this so I now need to move this bit, which I've bolted down. I need to move that across so this all lines up. But yeah, essentially I'm currently 2 hours in to trying to get this to line up since I last spoke to you. And it's been a pain in the, and yeah, I'm now 4 hours in. I still can't get these to line up very well. So I'm going to throw in the towel for today, come back tomorrow, fresh mind. Hopefully I can get those two to line up. And it's day 2. Let's try again, shall we? Okay, there we go. So we've got our mounts in, we've got our adjustable bar in, beautiful. Feeling a bit more positive now. Let's get this seat in, buzzing. Yes, let's do this. Right, she doesn't fit, so the seat's too close to where my bracket is, so it's hitting the roll cage. Somehow I need to shift it over, but I'm not too sure how. So yeah, back to the drawing board. I don't want to jinx it. It's tight. I think I might have done it. Oh, exciting. Oh my lord. I've just got to screw the bolts in and yeah. It's in. Look at that. It's touching, but. Oh, I'm so happy. Hard work beats talent. Does my fat ass fit in it? So we're actually touching on this roll cage here, but it's only fabric, so it's not really a problem, and the seat doesn't go back and forth that much. So I am going to call that an absolute win. I mean, so now anybody can drive it. I know this has been a whole video of me just fitting one bucket seat. I do apologise, but you can see the pain of trying to build a race car and the actual reality of it compared to what you see with all the other YouTubers where the whole car is built in a week. That's not reality. This is reality. Getting things done right, getting it done properly so it's safe. I really appreciate every single one of you guys that are watching. Every time someone clicks that subscribe button, honestly, I check it so many times a day. I do a little happy dance. And it means so freaking much to me that you guys are following my journey. So I'm going to call it a day here. So much more content coming your way. See you next Thursday. Click that subscribe. Thank you guys. See you later.